Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. And if you'd like to see how I got this look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, please keep watching. Thanks. Alright you guys, we are going to dig into this Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star. Had to have this palette, right, when it came out. And did a look with it, maybe two. Put it away. Haven't touched it since. Which is an indication I have way too much. But I thought with the pink salmon hair that it would be pretty to use some of these pinks. So we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to put a little bit of rock on my eyeballs. And then we are going to roll. Roll in the Jeffree Star palette. I'm excited. Probably put more than I should ever have to on my eyes, but my little rash that was on my right eye is starting to clear up, so I'm trying to help it along by keeping it moisturized and protected. So let's see what we're gonna do with this thing. So we're going to set down and go all over the lid with, I have no idea what that says. I cannot see these, and I don't know them. It's that shade right there. This has actually got a mirror, but it's not a good one. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong. It's good. It's good. It is not seem right. It looks like it says cake mix, but I don't think that's what it says. I wonder if this is picking up color from the other eye look. Although the fallout of it does look more pink than it does in the pan. It's like, I don't know. Shit, I don't know what it's like. What do I know? What do I know? Alright, we are going to put blood sugar. How appropriate. Blood sugar right there up into our crease. Ooh, it's pigmented. Oh yeah. So it's really pigmented. And it's a satin. Sometimes I can't see in the palette. Can when I have my glasses on, but it's hard for me to even see textures without my glasses. That's how blind I am. Alright, let's just... Alright. We're gonna go in with this pink right here. It's like a pretty nude pink. Let's see what it looks like on the eyeballs. I think it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. It's almost like an, it does, a little bit of a shimmer to it. This is about matching my hair. Perfect. I'm going to go into the pink that's next to that. This is the one that has all the fallout. And it's like a real pinky pink. Oh no, Susan. we're trying to do here. What do you think? What do you think? I think I'm going to take this color, this white color, and put it in my inner corner. One thing, I remember this about the first time I used this palette. This white is like a white. It's hard to get white to be white. That is white. Okay. Let's put some of this under our eye. Why don't we do a deeper red? There's a cherry soda red. It's a little bit deeper. Just really blow that out. Jeffree, you never disappoint me. Now see how easy that was? Now I would wear this look to work. I don't know that you guys would, but I would. Especially if I had on red. And put some red lips on. Maybe. Actually, I have some red lip gloss. I might put that on. That might be best for this look. It's a Sephora lip gloss. And it's not a red. It's like a sheer red. So, alright guys, this is the look I got with the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I like it. I might rock it this week. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Just kind of digging into some old palettes this week and seeing what we think. So, and as far as I know, they are all still available. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Mwah.